Hey guys, Mr. Riedel here. Welcome to what I hope is the last distance learning week. We're in week 6 for life science here. Um, and this week we're going to jump into cells, start learning all about cells and what those things are and really what they do for our bodies. And then next week, there's 2 days before we have Christmas break. And we're not going to be introducing anything new, but you will be having a test that Monday. So just be on the lookout for that, for some resources and things of that nature. Okay, so let's take a look at this week now. Monday, obviously you got to attend class Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. You're going to look at the overview video, which is what I'm giving to you right now. Do the graph analysis and your bell work. So I kind of want to go over that right now, what that is on Monday. So bell work is right here. I'll be introducing this in class. But basically, you just got to highlight what you think the answer is. Okay. Then your graph analysis. US teens having mixed feelings about social media. So you got to take a look at this graph. Again, it's kind of different. So we're going to take a look at it and answer these 6 questions. Go over a little bit on Monday. Okay. And then also on Monday, I'm going to have you guys start these notes. Okay, and I want you to watch this video here on Monday and answer these 3 questions. Okay, answer these 3 questions with this video. It's about a 6-minute video if I remember right. Kind of an introduction to cells. Then on Tuesday, you're going to watch the second cells video, and you're going to complete the notes. So up here, if you're not, if you don't make it to class, which I highly suggest you guys do, because this is a lot of work this week. This is some really dense stuff that you guys need to understand. Mrs. Gaunt made a video on how to take the notes. We're going to go over it on Monday and Tuesday, kind of how to do that. You're going to watch the second video right here, and then you're going to answer the rest of the notes. Okay, we got a couple questions you got to answer here, and then it's kind of fill in the blanks. Okay, and this goes right along with the video. Wednesday, no live classes. Take your attendance. Get caught up on anything you need to get caught up on. Thursday, complete processing activity 1. That is this. Okay, processing activity 1. We are going to label these, and we're going to label these together in class. But if you, for whatever reason, again, don't make it to class, Mrs. Gaunt has a walkthrough video here that helps you label them. So that is what we're doing. So you've got the cell membrane here. You can see I typed in cell membrane right there. Okay, then you got to figure out what all of these are. Okay, so make it to class. It's going to be much easier for you guys, or you get to watch this video. Friday, you're going to complete processing activity 2, which is these notes. Again, we're going to go over these in class, so you're going to want to make it to class. Alright, otherwise you have to come and figure this out on your own, or you're going to end up watching this video here. We're going to do this together. We're going to talk about it. I already put the drawings in here for you, so you don't need to do that. You just need to come up with the location. Where is it, and what does it do? Okay, and that's what we're doing this week. So, bell work, graph analysis, notes, cells, processing activity 1 and 2. Okay, and then you will have a test the following Monday, which is December 21st. And then on the 22nd, I think we have something else coming out. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it sounds like something fun. Okay? But we will on Monday still have our class periods. Okay? So, and then I do want to just go over this in case you have questions about it. Okay, so this right here represents 100% of respondents. Okay, 100% of respondents have mostly positive effects with social media. They really don't have a feeling one way or the other. with social media, or they have mostly negative experiences with social media. Okay, now down here, this is where it gets a little confusing. These scores right here are from the main reasons social media having a negative effect. So we are only looking at this 24% right here to answer these questions here. All right, so just general drama down here at 3% is 3% of the 24% of the people being surveyed. So if let's for example, if we have 100 people being 100 people, if we have 100 people being surveyed, 24 of them would have feelings of negative effect on their, I don't know, their mental state, I guess, towards social media, and then 3% of those, so 8 people, is really what we're looking at there. Okay, and then we want you to answer these. Okay, a lot of these, there's not necessarily a right or wrong answer. It's, you just have to have an answer, and you have to make sense. Okay, you gotta make sense with that. So what does it mean to have mixed feelings? Well, you guys know what mixed feelings are. Okay, top of the graph, the bar grows from green to orange to red, separate from below. Write a sentence that describes green. What does the green bar tell you, and what does the orange bar tell you? And then what are some bad things that you've seen? And then tell me something about the graph that's surprising. Okay. So if you've got any questions, hit us up on our office hours, which are Wednesdays from 9 to 10. Otherwise, shoot us an email. Keep getting caught up on that homework, boys and girls. It's a lot easier to stay caught up than to try and catch up. All right. Have a wonderful week. We'll see you in class, and I hope we get to see you when we get back from Christmas break on the 4th. I hope we're going to be in person together. So I look forward to it. Bye, guys.